How are you doing, everybody? So the update is the seat is done with anti-slip net, so it's nice and tidy now. A little bit of a protection there so it doesn't scratch my tank. Tank is completely finished, just needs petrol to get it started. My mate Michael has been here helping me by doing, and Charly, waiting for his treats. He's been giving me my moral support, and Charlie has been eating all the treats. You don't believe it? Watch this. Watch what he does when I open the drawer where the treats are. Look at that. He knows exactly what's going on. So I always keep some treats in here for him. I will open up and give it to him once we're done. And now, this is finished. No wrinkles, no reacting, nothing. Came perfect. So now it needs to cure a bit, this paint. And on the weekend, I'll do the lacquer to finish it off. And then I just need to finish the mirrors. But today, I'm going home. So Charlie, say goodbye to the people that are liking. Mr. Iron, Mr. Michael.
Goodbye. Another day.
To another day.
Yeah, and another bite.
Things are going well at the moment. See you then. Stay safe and don't do anything I wouldn't do myself. Take care.